Hi kids, I have something for you. It's a paper, a square paper. What can we do with a square paper? We can do a craft. Let's make a paper folding. Follow my instructions carefully and try doing it with me. Now let's fold it into a triangle like this. Triangle. Now we will do two more folds like this. One, now turn the other side in the same way like this. Two. Now turn around. It should look like a cone. Let's make a small fold here. Now turn around and fold it like this. Now let's fold the corner like a fan. There's something missing. Let's draw eyes. And a tilak to this. This is a Ganesha. Do you know which festival we have this Saturday? It is Ganesh Chaturthi. Now enjoy making your paper folding Ganesha. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi!